Hi, I'm Mr. Flanagan. I teach AP European History. Let's run down the top 10 reasons why you should take AP European History. My jokes are unparalleled. You do learn a lot. The pace is steady and the homework is always the same. Every single unit. You get to learn cool words and concepts like guillotine, Zollverein, Risorgimento, Peninsulares, and of course the almighty balance of power. You learn about tons of people who get their heads chopped off. I don't have a number 6 and I don't have to have one if I don't want to. You learn about tons of people who get their heads chopped off. You become a better writer, you become a better thinker, and you get college credit. And now for the number one reason to take AP European History, test corrections. You get to learn from your mistakes and earn better grades at the same time. Test corrections equals better understanding, equals better grades, equals more success in life, and more success in life leads to more happiness. That's why you should take AP European History. Thanks for watching.
Hello, I'm Cynthia Lang, and the AP class I teach is AP Government and Politics. In this class, we go beyond the basic government that you had in 9th grade, and we look at how politics can shape and manipulate the actual structure of government. If you've ever wondered why certain elections ended up the way that they do, we explore what issues cause people to vote the way they do. We look at Supreme Court decisions and how that influences our daily lives. We look at the ideal versus the reality in politics and government. And we also try to include some guest speakers and maybe some field trips so that you can see how government actually works.
If you're interested in humans and their impact on our planet, then you definitely want to take AP Human Geography. There are 7 units of study. The first is General Geography. The second unit is Population. We look at the question, is the world overpopulated? The third is Culture. We look at languages, religions of the world, and cultural conflict. The fourth is Political Geography, and we examine how different governments interact with one another. The fifth unit is Agriculture. We look at whether or not the food that we eat today is even food, or is it just food-like substance. And then we wrap it up with Economic Geography and looking at development, and finally Urban Geography. For the first time, more people live in cities than they do in rural environments. If that sounds interesting to you, sign up for AP Human Geo.
Mr. Freeman here, Advanced Placement Psychology. I've been asked to tell a little bit about the course, a quick overview. It's become a very, very popular course at the school. We talk about human behavior and disorders and therapy and why people behave the way they do and why we do some of the quirky things we do. You will be prepared for the national exam in May, and you'll have a lot of fun doing it. I encourage anybody who's interested maybe in learning about human behavior and why we do what we do to stop in a 325 and find out a little bit more about it, and hopefully we'll see you next fall.